Good morning, children. This is Seema Prabhakaran. We'll continue with our history lesson, Education under the British Rule. In our previous video, we talked about the background to the progress of English education, beginning of modern education, and Anglicist versus Orientalist. Today we'll be talking about Lord Macaulay's Minutes and Wood's Dispatch. In the early 19th century, the Oriental argument came under attack from many British officials. They criticized efforts to study ancient Indian knowledge and literature, which in their opinion was unscientific, full of errors, and non-serious. James Mill was a prominent critic of Orientalists. He said the aim of education was not to please Indians or win their respect. He believed Indians needed to be given more practical and more serious scientific knowledge, which was lacking in ancient Indian texts. Lord Macaulay was another outspoken critic of the Orientalist. He felt Indians needed to be civilized and teaching them English language would help them achieve that. He felt that knowledge of English would help expose Indians to Western concepts and developments in science and philosophy. He felt this would help improve Indian taste and culture. In 1835, on the basis of Lord Macaulay's recommendations, the British passed the English Education Act, making English the medium of instruction for institutes of higher education. They also decided to stop promoting Oriental institutions. However, elementary schools were allowed to follow the old system of education. The system of vernacular education was changed only after 1854, when the British finally outlined their educational policy in India through Wood's Dispatch. Let's find out about what is Wood's Dispatch. Charles Wood was the president of the Board of Control of East India Company. In 1854, he issued an educational dispatch to the Governor General of India, which defined the British educational policy for India. The policy, which came to be known as Wood's Dispatch, supported Western learning and ideas. Its main arguments for supporting Western education were: first, European learning would help to make Indians more moral. Teaching of English and European ideas would help raise a class of loyal and trustworthy Indians who would be employed in the civil services. These English-speaking civil servants would have respect for European thought and ideas. Second, learning about the West and its trade would help Indians appreciate the British and make them more willing to develop India's resources. Third, the culture and taste of Indians would change once they learnt about the European way of life. This would make them more eager to accept and buy British goods, thereby creating a large market for the company. Wood's Dispatch laid the foundation of the structure of the modern educational system in India and is therefore also known as the Magna Carta of English education in India. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.